Hello friends, today I'm going to share few tips on safety norms of refrigerator. So first of all, the freezer, no? When the ice is formed, please do not use sharp items like knife to remove this ice particle, and also spatula or spoon to remove this ice. Always defrost, press the defrost button. You can see this, press the defrost button, so the ice would melt and flow down easily. In case the ice doesn't melt, please call your technician so they would rectify the problem. Yeah, and I would like to share another tip is you can see this temperature control here and the numbers. So during winter, no, you could set it to say 1 or 2, 1 to 2 you can set it, and during rainy season or monsoon or rainy you can set it to 3 to 4. Yeah, and during summer you could set it to 5 to 6. Yeah, and this is the defrost button, as I told you earlier. This is the defrost. When you press this defrost button, it would go to the defrost mode. Yeah. So, in case there's any spark or foul smell in the fridge, no, you could always contact your customer care or a call center or service. Let the service person come and rectify the problem. My fridge, I have this contact numbers like where I can toll free number actually. I can call them and always they would come if there's any problem. They would come and rectify. So you can call your call center or the technical person. So they would come and rectify the problem if there's spark or any other problem, foul smell or burning smell. Yeah. And one more thing I would like to share is like always use a stabilizer. Yeah, I've used V-Guard stabilizer. So you can use a better, good stabilizer which is available in a market. Always use a stabilizer for any electrical gadgets like say your television or refrigerator for that. Yeah, would and and you can also use an you can connect inverters which runs on home inverter, consumes less power, and it's stabilizer free actually, which protect the refrigerator against voltage fluctuation like 100 V to 300 V. So these are few tips on safety norms of refrigerator. Thanks for watching. Please support, subscribe my channel. Bye.